global roar for all nations at Grand Arena, Grand West.
With the Bondservant of Christ, John.
Oh Lord, cleanse my nation. Oh Lord, help my country.
Since the Roar movement began, nations have been transformed. Led by the Bondservant of Christ, John, Roar has thundered across the world. In the Philippines, Australia and India, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom and New Zealand, and across the United States, from New York to Jacksonville, Florida, and Atlanta, Georgia. Join us as we shake the world again with a heavenly roar.
I'm roaring for Macedonia. Roar!
We are roaring for our nation, Fiji. Roar!
To secure your spot, visit hub.drealms.org or scan the QR code on the screen. Date, Saturday, 6th of December, 2025, at 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. Central African Time.
Venue, Grand Arena, Grand West. Address, 1 Jake's Gerwel Drive, Goodwood, Cape Town, 7460. On Sunday, the 7th of December, right after the second service, we'll be having our water baptism with the Bondservant of Christ, John. Scan the QR code and register now.